is the Arcane Motion Sling built for city movement, daily work, and everything in between. The roll-top design gives you a flexible space when you need it, and if you go in the front, you will have a quick access zipper to your daily essential, which is very accessible. At the back, a dedicated zipper lets you reach your tablet or important item fast without opening the entire bag. There's also a hidden back pocket for added security, and if you don't use the roll top, it stays compact. Expanded, it opens up for an extra gear, around 9 liters in standard form and up to 16 liters when fully extended. All at roughly 0.8 kilogram, light enough for comfortable daily carry. And the strap or the buckle can be removed both ways, so you can easily adjust it whenever you feel comfortable doing. And it can be handheld as a pack, and you can put it in your luggage or backpack. And not just that, this Arcane Motion Sling has a compression strap at the bottom to secure a tripod, jacket, or a larger bottle when needed. And it comes into a two version, the Black Edition and the Core Edition. Same structure, same function, the difference is in the details. The Black Edition features an orange interior for better visibility and a waterproof zipper for added protection in an unpredictable weather. The Core Edition comes with a gray lining for a more understated look, paired with a smooth everyday zipper, simple, reliable, and practical. Both versions are water resistant, meaning they handle rain splashes from the front and the back, though they are not fully waterproof like a dry bag. For daily commute, travel, or unexpected weather, you are covered. In the end, the choice comes down to personality, bold contrast or clean minimal. Either way, move with purpose.